Mezzi supports a variety of asset types. If you are unable to connect your brokerage account, here's how you can manually enter an asset. We'll use a fixed income asset in this example. However, you can add other asset types, including physical gold, physical silver, annuities, cryptocurrencies, and more. Here's how you add a fixed income asset in Mezzi. You can find this from your profile page under Add or Edit Accounts. Next, choose Connect New Account. From there, choose Brokerage or Bank, then select Add Manually. Now you'll name the asset. For this example, we'll call it Fixed Income 7%. Choose the tax status. We'll mark it as taxable for now. You can change this later at any time. If there's no ticker, that's fine. Just type the name in manually, then add the details. One unit, purchase price of $50,000, current value of $50,000, and save. Because this is a manually entered fixed income asset, automatic price tracking won't be available. That's expected. If this were a stock like Apple or an ETF like VOO, Mezzi would track prices automatically. Once you save, the holding is added. Go back to your dashboard and refresh. You'll see it show up under your accounts, tracked alongside everything else in Mezzi. And if you want to add context, you can. In the personalization section, you might add a note like, "This fixed income account is for my children's inheritance." That context carries through into your AI conversations in Mezzi. So your guidance reflects not just the numbers, but the intent behind them. That's it, yeah, even without a ticker. Even without live pricing, your fixed income assets still belong in the picture, and Mezzi makes sure they are.